Let's see. Okay, we have the input, which is a and b. Okay, let me just calculate. Okay, a plus b. If the result is 20, we're going to set true. Anyways, if we have a equal to 0, b equal to 0, okay, we'll also return 2. Because the problem is saying, why does it have to check the sum? One of both is 20, it means that the other one is 0. That's why I do this. Because the point is, how the fuck I actually use this function. Okay, today we have a group, and actually what I want to do is just to finish up, solve again the ones that I've mistaken in. I will be very humble solving those again. If not, I cannot solve these problems. I will set a double. Okay, for example, if I can get one again on this problem number 5, I will set a parenthesis W, which means that I will have to record a video about it, explaining it, squeezing it as much as I can. Let's see, if I have the variable just over there without the C# syntax, okay, and I have it as a number, let's say, just a. If I have the result, which is a plus b, which is equal to 20, okay, it means that the only way that a plus b gives me 20, one of these numbers is 20, is that a is equal to 20 or b is equal to 20. Something like this. Obviously I need that one of both is 20. This case only happens if I assume that one of both is 20. It means that the other one is 0. So what can I do is to check that if this result is 20, I return true, okay, or if this result is 20 and a or b are 0. So I have this function, let's call it something, I don't know, this result, let's set it as an integer, we're going to have a plus b, and that's all, not that complicated. And we're going to have the return result is equal to 20. No, return true. I don't remember how is the syntax. Okay, so we're going to have the if result is equal to 20. Okay, we're going to return true. I know this is not the best syntax. It could be improved. Have something like this. Let's see. Okay, we have the input, which is a and b. Okay, and let me just calculate. Okay, a plus b. If the result is 20, we're going to set true. Anyways, if we have a equal to 0, b equal to 0, okay, we'll also return 2. Because the problem is saying, why does it have to check the sum? One of both is 20, it means that the other one is 0. That's why I do this. Because the point is, how the fuck I actually use this function, because it's giving me an error about the not all codes pass return on. Or what? You want this to return this, I think. Okay, if not, return false. If this works for you, that's okay. So it should return false on this case, false. Okay, but if right now I use 20, it should also return false. This is 20, and let's set this on 0, and it should return false too. Now, if I set over here 16, how it should return true. Lastly, okay, because I'm very happy of this, it also should return true, because 13 plus 7 is 12. True. Okay, that's what. It's not the best syntax, I know it, okay, but the problem is solved. Oof, I forgot this. This should return false. The problem is that I was focusing on the result itself. And this should, okay. I am just complexing the things. Okay, this is the newest problem. We're going to get again into the 5. And I remember that I just wrote this problem because of actually not knowing the syntax. The first number. Okay, I will going to repeat this process before actually setting the message here. So Okay, we're going to declare the 10 bar, by the way. Okay, I want to set 10 bar. Okay, over here, we want to set the plus number. Okay, so let's actually go over here, the before and after. I want to set 4 inside the second number, which is 2. Before I will fat this up, that's all. We could get rid of the line and let's check it out. Obviously I can set an A, for example, or a Q or a fail, but for now, because the problem is not asking us for try and catch or something similar, the equivalent to on C#. Okay, let's ignore it for now on. Well, you can use in parse or convert to integer token. Doesn't matter actually, because it's actually not mentioned to use integers. I mean, the number could be even at decimal level. I think it's integer doesn't accept this. No. Anyways, we are turning it to an integer over here. Therefore, the code is still valid. Yes, it's not on the correct format. And also have the problem. Okay, so here we go.